My name is Pradeep Monga. I am Senior Advisor and Policy Director at World Biogas Association. So we were very happy to sign two important MOUs with one of the key players in India. One is Federation of Indian Petroleum Industry, FIPI, with Director General Mr. Gurmeet Singh, and second with the founding director of Indian Federation of Green Energy, IFGE. Both are very key players at association level, apex level in India. So we are very happy we could sign these MOUs because that will allow us to collaborate with them and their members who are focusing on not only on compressed biogas, large-scale biomethane plants in India, but also entire value chain. On the policy side, technology side, capacity side, and of course, very importantly, international collaboration side. Making Biogas Happen program is a flagship program. When I joined World Biogas Association in October 2023, we realized that while we are working on so many fronts, making biogas unlock its potential around the world, we also realized there are certain constraints and challenges being faced by biogas industry worldwide. Making Biogas Happen program started in 2024 January with a funding received from Global Methane Hub. So Global Methane Hub, Total Energy and GSD, they funded us phase 1 of Making Biogas Happen. Now in phase 2, which has started February this year, we are trying to have two major objectives. One is very, you can say, large-scale outreach and dissemination of biogas regulatory framework, which is a compendium of all best practice models of different, from policy to financing to, of course, gas quality and grids. And the second is ADCS International, how outreach, and secondly, how to roll out Making Biogas Happen all over the world. And for that, we have selected India and Brazil to begin with. For us in World Biogas Association, it is a game changer. A game changer which will make biogas industry much more high performing, but at the same time socially, environmentally, and of course economically compliant. One of the major areas we want to focus is on standardization and certification and linking to carbon markets, both voluntary and compliant carbon market. And that's where we are very happy that under our ADCS certification international, we have come up with life cycle assessment methodologies. And once they become customized at the national level, because we believe that each country is unique. And both in India and Brazil, we are trying to work at state level, which is the provincial level, and the city level, and coming up with biogas action plan and implementation processes or plan ahead. Along with, of course, we would like to have standards and certification in place. So for us, it's a game changer, very exciting time. And this World Biogas Summit 2025 gave us a very good platform to reach out to all stakeholders, experts, technology providers, all coming together on a common platform and making biogas happen in a very strong way. What we say, mission biogas, mission possible.